Hi guys, how are you? Today our topic is jute crafts. You are watching the beer crafts making with the jute strings. Beautiful. You are watching some crafts of the jute strings and different. You are watching four different crafts decorating by jute. You are watching the hot pot hat shape making by the jute. You are watching an plastic bottle jute decoration piece. You are watching a table organizer making with the jute. You are watching the umbrella based wall hanging flower decorating. You are watching a ship and basket with flowers. You are watching a decoration piece handicrafts jute. You are watching a jute string based you are watching doll model and flowers. You are watching different items, hot pot and different items of jute. You are watching some another multiple items made with the jute. You are watching a bird house made with the jute. You are watching a flower pot decorating with the jute flowers. You are watching a table organizer beautiful made with the jute. You are watching a basket decorating with the flowers jute based. You are watching and multiple items made with the jute. You are watching some different jewelry box and items jute based made. Some multiple items you are watching made with the jute. You are watching a jewelry box made with the jute and decorating with the orange flowers. You are watching a ship model of ship. You are watching multiple organizers and shelves made with the jute. You are watching a windmill made with the jute. You are watching a table decorating basket wheel. You are watching some different items decorating piece. You are watching a wheel and wheelchair decorating with the jute. You are watching different organizers and decoration items. You are watching a wall hanging decorating. You are watching two items made with the jute string. You are watching three items bird house different colors made with the jute. You are watching three decorating items